up in the morning time, I hear the music in a separation. But when we creep up in the studio time, I got to put that in my meditation. But when I wake up in the morning time, I hear the music in separation. So when I put it in the studio time, I put it in my meditation. Yeah, yeah. In these last days, hear the sounds of the trumpets. In these last days, bow down to the throne. In these last days, hear the sounds of the trumpets. In these last days, bow down to the room. Example. Yo, time to crash and burn your face in the packet term. When I'm done, we gonna beat this up afterwards. I'm about to open up a can of worms. Trust no one, they stab me when your back is turned. Yeah, I had to learn the hard way, that's for sure. Now when I start to mic, it's a massacre. And everyone's a critic, not realizing we all fall with the same gimmicks. But I can take it, who knew how to play God? I put soul in music like I Ray Charles. Now hit the road, Jack, a pro black, you can't hear like Kovacs. All I do really is spit, there's no facts. And what I want really is dynamic complex. And that's that, I'm easy to please. If you're searching for the truth, who believe it? These last years, hear the sounds of the trumpets. In these last days, you got to bow down to the truth, you know. In these last days, bow down to the trumpets. In these last days, bow down to the truth. Don't. Now the hands are playing where the trumpets sing. All manners are control the world we are exchanging. The truth in hand we're displaying. A message that reverberates, no delaying. The system is complicating. Singing, rapping, partaking, they're stripping, wrecking, they're raping. We stand up for emancipation, they are the one that stands us. The rebirth of the nation, it's time to see me and ask me if they touch this. Give him a call and the man says if they rush this. Give him a call and I told him that it's dusty. Wait till the man hear that joy erupting like a youth when busting, Babylon disgusting. We are the truth on the trucks and the trumpets. Bust trees and crumpets. We are the heartbeat to the music. In these last days, bow down to the trumpets. In these last days, you have to bow down to the truth, you know. In these last days, bow down to the trumpets. In these last days, you better bow down to the truth. Don't. Yeah. That's what Mr. Club Dubai in the place, they are up on the case of time to waste. Exactors in the place of time to waste. We're going to introduce you to a female artist that you know say touch here, touch and go through. And an artist named Lady Mystery. So are you ready, Virgin?